Hello, my name is Fran and I'm from Barcelona.
He is Jordi and he's from Barcelona.
She is Andrea and she's from Barcelona.
He is Ayman and he is from Morocco.
He is Angelo and he is Peruvian.
She is Mabel and she is from Dominican Republic.
She is Judith and she is from Barcelona.
My name is Ethan and I'm from Barcelona.
He is Max and he is from Barcelona.
She is Mariana and she's from Colombia. We all are part of an international community of students.
And we want to share our different ways of seeing the world.
We want to share our own perspective.
I've got my own perspective.
Me too!
What do you see here?
M'agrada molt viure aquí, la ciutat
I see a dog.
un paradís, doncs si no et fa el pes.
I see a rabbit.
We can see both.
There isn't only one correct perspective.
I no he vist res millor. No n'hi ha que s'assembli, ni París ni Londres ni...
We're also going to learn about one of the most important resources in our planet.
We live in Cornellà, that is a quiet neighborhood.
Cornellà is on the outskirts of Barcelona.
Hello. So we live in the Mediterranean sea coast and that's why the weather is so warm.
We also live in delta of the Llobregat River, that is a good place for farming.
We want to become citizens of the world.
I am Mary Che, and these are Global Scholars.
Nascut enmig de Barcelona, força lluny de Tennessee. Aquí tinc tot el que ho pot voler i encara en queda per descobrir. La Rambla i el Raval, la llarga diagonal, més amunt ja Sarrià. Nascut enmig de Barna, és on em van parir. Al passeig Colón, al Marquès d'enfront, ningú s'hi pot resistir. Caminaré pel Born fins que m'entri la son, vine a mi disfrutaràs.
¡Ay!